welcome to How to Achieve Your Middle Splits. And I just want to get started with the video because why not? So we're actually going to start in a wide second position with our feet. And I'm saying second position valid, but just spread your heels apart further than where your hips would be. And we're just going to catch our balance and come down. And we're just going to sit and start to open up our inner thighs right here. Good, you're gonna come back up and you're actually gonna go to a parallel and kind of just reach forward and gently try to reach towards the ground. Good, and we're going to do those one more time. So starting with the wide second, you can also option to go a little bit lower right here. And coming up, and now the one parallel reaching forward. Okay, so now we're going to come down a little bit closer to the floor. We're going to extend one leg out and kind of start to reach towards those inner thighs. So I like to achieve this by bracing myself with one hand against the floor and using the other arm to push this knee kind of backwards. So if yours looks more like here, that's fine. I'm just sitting deep in mine because I've been in these stretches for a while. Awesome, now we're gonna switch to the other leg and come down into that. And if it helps to kind of shift your weight into your working leg, you might get like a deeper inner thigh stretch when you do that. Good, one more time on each side. So shift back to your first side. and shifting back to the other side. Good, and come out of that carefully. And then we're just gonna sit with our legs in an open position, and we're going to crawl our fingers forward right here and just let those inner thighs kind of start to open up. Bothering me though, not perfectly on the center, there we go. Good, and come up out of that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bend one leg and we're just gonna reach into this leg. Maybe it would feel good to swing our arm up and over. And come up out of that, only spending a few moments in that stretch. Other leg, bend into it. And come up. Okay, so now we're gonna go back up slightly onto our knees, and we're gonna hold this stretch right here. So I'm gonna show a different angle real quick. I'm holding this stretch like this, and so you'll get lower and lower and lower and lower into the stretch, but start where you're starting to feel the stretch, and then work your way into that. And slowly come up out of that. Use your arms to help you. Okay, this next one's called a gravity split, and it is more of an intermediate advanced stretch in my opinion. I wouldn't do this stretch if you have hip problems or any injuries related to that area. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna find a wall with nothing on it. You're going to bring your legs up into the air, and your bum is as close to the wall as you can get it. Now you're going to gently let your legs begin to fall to the side and let gravity kind of start to form where your splits would be. And then slowly but surely, you'll get farther and farther and farther down. Let's stretch right here. And slowly come up out of that by helping your legs up to the center and then just rolling to one side out of that. That's the safe way to come out of it. There's another stretch you can do on the wall. I find it less effective unless you could have someone help you, but you basically are sitting up in this position and trying to pull yourself against the wall to get your middle split. So if the other one hurts, this is another good stretch to do. Okay guys, final step here is actually attempting the middle split stretch. And this is after you're warmed up, after you've done the other exercises that I've shown you or other stretches that I've shown you. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna come out in like a very wide open position with your legs, and your arms are supporting you. If you're a beginner stretcher, your arms are supporting you right here. Then slowly and surely, you're gonna let your legs fall out to the side and get deeper and deeper and deeper into the stretch. But please, it is so easy to injure yourselves in these positions, so take your time, wear warm clothes, and go slowly through these movements. The coming up out of it, you're really gonna use your arms to help you. Feel free to, even if you're on a carpet, maybe fall backwards a little bit onto the stretch. Here we go. And slowly come up out of that, either fall backwards or use your hands to pull you up. And these stretches can be done, I would say, at least twice a week if you want to see progress. But if you guys enjoyed this, can you please send this to a friend, like it, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you can get more exercises like this. Comment if you want to see anything else, and I will see you guys on the next video.